Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2018 SHOT Show is sponsored by Olight Flashlights and Hog Holsters. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2018 SHOT Show. I'm here with Suzanne from UCO. You know, I like fire. It's probably not a big secret. They got some really cool fire starters and ways to start a fire, no matter what the conditions you're in, and a couple of other cool things I'm going to show you in just a minute. So, Suzanne, thanks for taking time to talk to us. I know you got everybody's crazy here at SHOT Show, but so UCO, they have got like all this stuff here. But you tell me about this. This is one of the coolest things I've seen. So it looks like kind of like a triangle-shaped match, if you can see it. It's got like a match head on it.
Like a toggle around.
Yeah, there you go. And you've probably seen these. That's a Stormproof match. So this is like just I guess we'll call this a Stormproof match on steroids.
That's right. It's a Tinder match. That's what they're calling it.
Tinder match.
So you got the match and the Tinder all in one with a strikeable head. And this has got the Stormproof head on there. So just like the Titan matches, it's windproof, waterproof. You can blow it out. It'll reignite. You can get it wet. It'll reignite. And these will each burn for 7 minutes. So it's a really great fire starting option. Camping in wet conditions, or if you don't know what you're going to be facing, your bag gets wet, you can salvage a fire out of these.
7 minutes.
7 minutes. And the base is sourced from a sugarcane waste product called bagasse. So it's a nice eco-friendly thing that they're pulling from production facilities that would otherwise just be tossing it.
Okay, so it's basic ground up sugarcane. So it's all natural. At least it's a natural base, and it's something that would have been kind of thrown away. So you think we can get away with striking this real quick?
I'll hide you.
Let's just, because you know me, right? So it's got to have a striker like a regular Stormproof match. Let's just see how it works. I've never done this before, so if I screw up, it's probably on me. Whoa, look at that.
Ooh, that's a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
Now I'm concerned.
Okay, hold on. So you got some water to dip it in?
I'm sorry. That's my bad.
It'll put itself out safely.
Okay, we're gonna
just leave it alone. It'll be fine.
Oh my gosh, look at that!
Shouldn't have gone for the Stormproof.
It's a safety match.
Oh, it's still burning. Maybe you know what? Maybe we're gonna put it. Okay. Okay. Well, I bet you didn't see that too often on the SHOT Show video, huh? We're gonna have the fire. I did have the fire department call on me one time for burning in the backyard, so that's just me.
I'll cover you. I'll cover you.
So you got these. These are the Stormproof version. We also got the burn time on this one is
15 minutes.
15 minutes of burn time, and these come in a really cool little pack here. You have like 12 in this tin. You said
9 to the 10.
9 in the tin for like what?
15
bucks.
Yep.
So that's just really cool. You know how important I think fire is. It's probably the most important thing you can have for keeping warm, for purifying water, for cooking food, for scaring off the boogie woogies, all that stuff. And these are real popular. I'm just amazed that they got that big steroid version. And I was able to put it out. We did not burn the Las Vegas Sands Convention Center to the ground.
Let the record show.
So, yeah, exactly. But also something that you got that I thought was pretty cool. It's new this year. Well, at least some of them are new. There's these headlamps. And these things are like, how much did you say they weigh?
1.6 ounces.
1.6 ounces. It is like, I'm telling you, I wish you could just try this because it is featherweight, lightweight. And I like that it doesn't have a stretch headband. So sometimes if you get them tight enough where they don't move around, they really kind of give you a headache. So this one you can set it to your right size and just slip it on your head, and you don't have to worry about having a lot of excess pressure on it.
Yep. So it's a fully stitched neoprene. It's called a precision fit strap. So once you get it there, it's not going to stretch out or slip.
And this one has a red LED also.
Yes, and it's 150 lumen on that one, rechargeable lithium-ion battery.
So it's rechargeable, so that's cool. And then, but the other ones I thought are maybe even cooler. And this one of these like this one.
So this is the Vapor and the Vapor Plus.
Okay, yep, so
we're going to have 300 lumens on each of these and the red LED as well. Okay. I won't shine the bright light into the camera, but
so 300 lumens.
Yep, same precision fit strap on these, but they have a couple different power options.
Okay.
So the standard comes with a power pack with a 3 AAA battery pack. And the Plus version comes with a hybrid power source, so it comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and you can swap it out for AAAs if you need to in a pinch.
Right. So you can charge it up and rechargeable, just carry some spare batteries just in case.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Yep. And these range in price from $35 to $50.
Really? That's a bargain. So that's a real bargain, actually. Yeah. And you've seen the UCO's can of lanterns. I've got one of these. I use it sometimes. But something else I thought was pretty cool that is this UCO flat pack grill. You got two sizes of this, right? This is a small one and a large one.
version. We have a standard size that's out of stock right now, but we'll be getting it back soon. You got a stainless steel fire pit / grill, portable grill. The cool thing about it is how it pops out, folds down completely flat. Just pop the legs back in there, turns the sides, and it folds down to this small.
And it weighs like
2.5 pounds.
Two and a half pounds.
Yeah.
And what I like about this is, you know, some of the oh, it's got to have a little. Okay. Some of the like the stainless steel grills, you can only put just a little bit of wood in them. They're about this big, you know. And this one you can really build. You know me, I like to build a big fire, right? You can build a big enough fire in here and actually cook probably a couple of hamburgers or whatever you want to on there.
This is a really good size for 2 people or a single person.
Yeah.
They come with a little canvas case, so you know once you're done cooking, if there's stuff all over it, you don't want to get it inside your bag. Just the canvas case.
Very sleek. What's the price on this?
It's about $34.
Wow. So that's a pretty cool deal. So for 1 or 2 people, if you're going just camping or cooking out or whatever, pretty cool deal. And then the last thing I want to show you is just this. From a survival standpoint, it's kind of like a stormproof light. It's got duct tape around it, just so you have some duct tape. This one has a bottle opener, and then it's got a very. Look at that! Oh yeah.
So that's the Stormproof torch, and you got the 2 options in there. I want to say it's $15.
Wow. That's a bargain because we've seen some other ones that are around the $40, $50 mark.
I want to say 15, 20.
Yeah, 15, 20 bucks. So, anyway, so we will build a real fire one of these when I get back to the Survival on Purpose Worldwide headquarters because they won't let us do it here.
In the great outdoors.
So, yeah, in the great outdoors in my backyard probably. But yeah. So Suzanne, thanks so much for taking time.
See you again.
Absolutely. This is UCO, and this is Brian from Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.